Alright, Adrian, what we're gonna do?
We're going to
Room tour. Go. Okay. Alright, so here is our room 4. Dito muna. This is the washroom. Ito.
How is there?
Ayan.
How did somebody already come here?
Si Daddy, nagkalat na. Makalat yun eh. Ayan. Tapos ito, yung closet. Ayan, dyan nakalagay mo.
That's the storage room.
Storage. Ating fridge. Meron na kaming tubig. Tapos gatas ni Eder, tsaka juice. Tapos ito yung bed. At ito.
Second bed.
Second bed. May nakatuwad, humihingi ng kasunod. May humihingi ng kasunod. Ayan. Tapos ayan yung mga abubot namin. May TV dyan. Simple lang. Very simple.
Do it again.
Ayan.
Do it again.
Here we're gonna stay for 3 nights. Alright. Okay. Kasi ito makikita nyo sa labas. Ang mga sasakyan. Ayan. Alright.
Sige, magtatagal tayo.
Alright. Enjoy. Enjoy Lakwatsa. Spring break Lakwatsa ni Adriel. Woo! Woo!
Lay down on these.
Alright.
Ouch.
Mall of America. Here we come. Are you excited? Heading? Huy. What can you say? Huy. What can you say? Mall of America parking going that way.
Ayun o, Mall of America parking.
Yeah. We're here. Mall of America. Maghahanap muna kami ng parking and then let's do this. Are you ready, Adriel? We're here. Mag-explore na kami sa Mall of America. Yippee! Hanap kami ng parking. Para kaming ang airport ang style. Open.
Sa loob tayo.
East parking. Mamula tayo.
America.
Adriel! We're here! Woohoo! We're here. Saan si Adriel? Ayan. Balot sa balot. Yee-hee! Daming chocolate. Woo! Ah! Edelo! Ah! Ayan, the elevator. Edelo kami.
These were all
Asa si Adrian? Si Nelo. Tulog.
You know what? I'm gonna get a donut. A roll and a chicken.
Wow. Ay, sarap na sarap siya. Napagod ang baby, nagutom. Adrian, nasa Lego store. Lego. Lego.
Don't want this? Ayaw.
59 yan.
Ayaw. Ito yung mga ano.
Expensive.
Ayan o.
Meron ba tayo nila?
Wala pa.
Ito.
Wow.
You want that? Kaya mo na.
May dala-dala na si Adrian.
Pakita mo na.
Tingin. Tingin. Wow, dalawa.
Ito na.
Wow. Bagong motor nito, ano yun? $84 lang. 85. Mawag na sa Adrian. Pwede ka nagbabayad.
Okay, bayar mo na.
Ito ah. Nare.
Ito.
Forget it. Whoa. Nice. Ay, kabayo.
Hold it.
Oh, you hold it.